Hey, hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to APM 2.x Features. Guys, if you remember, as part of our previous session, we have seen how exactly we can create an instance to UI Automator 2 options, wherein which we were just passing directly the app information. Ideally, a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, this is fine, we were able to launch the app, but if my requirement is I need to pass on the package name, I need to pass on the activity name of that particular application, right? Certain applications definitely need a package name, activity name, and even of course, I want to set the no reset capability also. We used to have a desired capabilities option in 1.x version where we were passing down those desired capabilities. How exactly I can pass this package name, activity name, and all these information here. So that's what our today's session is. So what I'm gonna do right now is let me copy this particular program and paste it as a separate program. Okay, I'm just creating as a separate program. And in this particular program, I'm just deleting this content that it is not required for me. So, and I don't want to pass on these setup options also. I deleted that. So what I have done right now is I just created an option to UI automated two options. And on top of it, options dot I can pass on my platform name. So here I'm targeting for my Android operating system itself. Set platform name as an Android. Options dot set platform version. Basically, I want to set the version, right? So I want to deal with the 13th version basically. Hence I am passing this set platform version. So this is the way how I am passing that. And of course this is the platform name and the platform version. And if at all I want to set my device name. So here a set a device name, and maybe consider that that's an Android device, and I am passing this. And of course the another one is options dot set app. Again, it's gonna be the same thing where exactly the APK file path is there. You just need to pass on this particular chunk. Okay, and you need to pass on automation name too. Automation name. So I'm just passing this automation name. UI automated too. I was just passing this automation name. And additionally, if I want to pass my activity, so here app activity, even I'm just passing this particular activity. Okay, I'm just passing this particular activity. Additionally, if you want to pass on a particular capability as a no reset, so here I'm passing the set capability as a no reset, and the value, of course, I'm giving it as a false or a true. It's up to you. These are the ways how exactly we can pass on these options. This is a way basically how exactly I can pass on all these options here. And upon creating this particular instance, while creating this particular instance, as we are passing this particular options, these inputs will be taken care by our program, and then it will establish a session. And after a few seconds, I am using a thread dot sleep of 6500 milliseconds, and I am using a driver dot a quit command to terminate the app. In this situation, if you observe right now, I haven't passed my app and I haven't passed my activity. These two things I haven't passed. So what I'm doing right now means I'm launching my APM inspector session right now, in which I just want to pick up my package name and as well as a app instance. So this is what my app instance for a sauce demo. I was just picking the app and I am passing that particular information here. And additionally, this is what the activity that we have for the SaaS demo, and I was just passing on that particular activity. That's it. So we are just passing all these options, and right now we are in a good shape to trigger this particular program. Make sure that we are starting the APM server Okay, make sure that you are starting the APM server. Okay, the server is up and running right now. And additionally, I'm checking whether my device is connected or not. See, I didn't connect my device yet. Okay, I need to grab my USB cable and I need to connect this particular device. Okay, let me connect this device and then I will try to execute this test script. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, I just connected my device right now. So what I'm doing right now means let me open up a new terminal instance, ADB space devices, and right now the device is being populated. So if I wish to pass on this device name, copy this particular device name, and instead of this Android, you can pass on that device name also. It's up to our wish whether I want to use this device name or not. And right now I'm using a Visor app to mirror my mobile device here to cross check whether that particular app is being launched or not. Okay, so the mirroring, it's installing the Visor app on that particular device. Once the app got installed, this is the mirroring of my mobile instance. So this is what the home screen is. Now, as I have already started my APM server and my script is ready, let me try to run the test script and check out whether it is executing. As of now, the scenario that we have created is simple, just to launch the app. The only difference is just passing on the capabilities. So the APM, settings was launched, and now it's time for this one to trigger this particular APK file that we have specified on that. So yeah, the script is still executing and see the SaaS demo, the Swag Labs app got launched, and after few seconds, it will terminate that particular app instance also. So the ultimate point here is, if at all you don't have a multiple sets of capabilities to pass on, directly you can pass on the options like this, or if you want to pass on the multiple options, whichever the option you want, you can pass on all those options in this particular way. Okay, perfect. Done the deal, guys. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.